Welcome to LearnQ.ai. Today, we're introducing you to Mia, our advanced AI powered tutor. She's a sophisticated educational tool that provides interactive, detailed feedback much like a human tutor. After analyzing your diagnostic test results, it's time to dive deeper. Click on Review with Mia to start analyzing each question from a test. Mia will show your responses alongside the correct answer and provide detailed explanation for each question. But the real power of Mia lies in her ability to personalize your learning experience through 6 unique review prompts. The first prompt, Explain the solution better, is designed to give you a clearer and more detailed explanation of the solution. This is particularly useful if you got a question wrong or found it challenging. By understanding the rationale behind the correct answer, you can grasp complex concepts and apply them more effectively in future. Next, Where Did I Go Wrong helps you identify the specific mistakes or misunderstanding in your answer. This pinpointing of errors is crucial because it allows you to correct your thought process, ensuring you don't repeat the same mistake on the test day. If you need more practice, Mia's Give Similar Practice Problem prompts offers additional questions similar to the one you struggled with. This targeted practice reinforces your understanding and improves your performance in that specific areas. Quick Tips for the Problem Type provides you with the concise strategies and tips tailored to the type of problem you encountered. These tips equip you with effective techniques and shortcuts, helping you solve similar problems quickly and accurately during the actual test. To keep you motivated, the Why Should I Care prompt explains the relevance and importance of the question type or concept within the broader context of the SAT. Understanding the value of mastering these skills helps you focus on areas that will significantly impact your score. Finally, Explain the Concepts Involved dives deep into the underlying principle related to the question. This thorough explanation enhances your comprehension, making it easier to apply these concepts to various questions, thus improving your overall test readiness. Mia's approach, powered by reinforcement learning, is designed to mimic the personalized feedback of a human tutor. By using Mia's prompts and feedback, you're not just reviewing answers, you're building a deeper understanding that will help you excel on test day. So why not try it yourself? Click the link below to unlock your full potential with Mia and take your SAT preparation to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and join our Discord community from the link in the description for more SAT tips.